might seem strange to open with no visual, but for me it's the sounds of these engines as much as the sight of the cars whizzing past that I turn up to events like this for. It's not long now and then one will appear. Brands Hatch most are familiar with is an amphitheatre where you can see almost the entire circuit. However, there's also this longer Grand Prix loop out into the woods and back again. And if you meander up here, you can have the whole place to yourself. These guys are peeping around the end of the fence. I'm quite happy to look through one of those little windows you can see on the right. Car of the day for me was a six-wheeler Tyrrell, which is coming around in a moment. This wasn't a day where there were more competitors than spectators, but if you include all of the mechanics looking after the cars, all the support crew, all the marshals, event officials, maybe we were outnumbered by all of that lot together. On the right you can see the paddock, and then round to the left is the start-finish straight. This is a famous paddock hill bend, charging down the hill. A lot of cars end up in that gravel and back up to the hairpin. There's a footbridge to get inside the hairpin, where the car's obviously going slow and right the way around you, so a great place for photos. In the distance, the stands the far side of the start-finish straight, and then the pits are between the start-finish straight and then this piece of track that you can see the cars going around here. I'm happiest back out in the woods on the days when the Grand Prix circuit's in use. Hawthorns is my particular favourite. I've got good photos of friends here. The trick is to either know when it's going to come or have a spotter to help you. So you can pick it up and get a really good fast drifting shot. I wasn't on photographic duty, so I could have the video camera out. It takes a while to get your eye in and just catch one nicely. So satisfying just to get a nice drifting shot like that. I was lucky I'd get free tickets from friends and I'd try and pay it back with some nice photos. And once I got them I could take the day off. As I said in another video, my kids associated a walk in the country with the sound of cars in the background. We've got sets of little headphones like these as well still. I mean, kids are all in their 20s now. I've always been a pocket camera person rather than lugging masses of equipment. I'm also not someone just to stand in the same spot taking 2,000 photos. But I was going to hang around and get one more shot of that Tyrell. Brands Hatch isn't far from Bigham Hills, so it's always worth listening out for Spitfires and then trying to spot them. Under that bridge is the point where the Grand Prix loop comes back and rejoins the short circuit. You go around that long sweeping bend back onto the start-finish straight. Some days I might hardly leave the paddock, others I might sit and watch actual racing, but it was the sounds of the Formula 1 cars that day more than anything